will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your American best pics and videos app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for American best pics and videos, just click on it or just click on search. Then here add American best pics and videos, click on it here. So then you come to this list here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for American best pics and videos. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.